Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Unlock the Oneplus and open Settings. Once there, go to Personalization or Wallpaper and Style. That entry controls home and lock screens. Make sure you have the image ready in Gallery or select a system wallpaper. Tap the lock screen option to enter lock screen-specific controls. This isolates changes so your home screen stays the same. Once done, you'll see choices for source, crop, and style. Proceed to pick where your new lock screen content will come from. Now choose the image source: Gallery for personal photos, wallpapers for curated options, or live images for motion. When you pick an image, crop and reposition using pinch and drag so key subjects aren't covered by the clock. Choose full screen or 16:9 preview to match the display. After adjusting look, tap Set Wallpaper and select Lock Screen only. Make sure to configure clock style and any lock screen widgets here so the final view matches both aesthetics and function. Finish by tapping Apply or Set, and ensure you chose lock screen only if you don't want the home screen changed. Lock the phone and wake it to verify the wallpaper, clock style, and widgets display correctly. If anything overlaps, return to crop and adjust. If the new lock screen won't stick, reboot the device first. If that fails, clear the launcher or gallery cache in Settings right arrow apps, then reapply. This quick troubleshooting resolves most update problems so you can finalize the look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.